In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a domain from your Namecheap account quickly and safely. If you've added a domain to the wrong hosting account, you no longer need it there, or you just want to clean up your setup, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Hosting List. This will show you the hosting services connected to your account. From there, find a hosting account that contains the domain you want to remove and click Go to cPanel. This will open your hosting control panel where you can manage your domains and other hosting settings. Inside cPanel, scroll until you find the domain section. When you see it, click Domains to open the full list of domains attached to that hosting account. Now look through the list and find the domain you want to remove. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple domains connected to the same account. Next, click Manage next to that domain. This opens the settings for that specific domain where you'll see different options for handling it. Here, click Remove Domain. Namecheap will ask you to confirm this action because removing a domain is a permanent change for that hosting setup. If you're sure you want to continue, click Remove Domain again to confirm. After that, the domain will be removed from the hosting account. At this point, the cleanup is complete and your domain should no longer appear in the cPanel domain list. That's all there is to it. A very simple process once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.